Chapter 14. Song. Dit kan nie so moeilik wees om 'n song te skryf nie. Mense doen dit elke dag. Ek dink die groot ding is om eers te besluit waaroor om te skryf. Ek sit en kyk om my rond vir inspirasie. Party liedjies gaan oor doodgewone alledaagse goed. It can't be this difficult to write a song. People do it every day. I think the first thing I need to do is decide what to write about. I sit, or Tian sits and looks around him for inspiration. Some songs are written about everyday things, so he writes down notes of things that's around him. Wire, fan, wakker, alarm, comics, PlayStation, skooltas, which is school bag, Nikes, Katy Perry, vuil sokkies, dirty socks. Nie een van die dinge op my lys lyk eintlik na iets waar 'n mens 'n liedjie kan skryf nie. Miskien kan ek skryf oor hoe Katy Perry op 'n dag van die plakkaat afklim en 'n lewende lywe in my kamer verskyn. Nothing on my list really looks like something you should write a song about. Maybe I can write about Katy Perry coming to life and jumping out of the poster and is standing in my room. Ek sug en staan op om vir my koeldrank te gaan ingooi. Ek wonder hoe dit met Zayn se poging gegaan het om Liesel uit te vra vir 'n fliek. Daar is nog van gisteraand se oorskiet pizza in die yskas. Ek haal dit uit en gooi vir my 'n groot glas Coke in. I sigh and I stand up to go pour me some cool drink. I wonder how it went with Zayn's he wonders how it went with Zayn trying to ask Liesel to go watch a movie with him. There's still pizza from last night in the fridge, so he walks to the fridge, takes it out and pours a big glass of Coke. Toe ek dit optel om te loop, vang iets my oog. When he picked it up and left, or to walk, something catches his eye in the kitchen. Ons het actually suurlemoene in die groentemandjie. We actually have lemons in the vegetable area in the kitchen. Ek sit die Coke en pizza weer neer en tel een van die suurlemoene op. I put the Coke and the pizza down and pick up the lemon. Ek het nog nooit opgelet dat 'n suurlemoen eintlik nogal nice lyk nie. I've never noticed that a lemon looks quite cool. Dit sal great like op 'n t-shirt of vir op Bongie se drumkit. It will look great on a t-shirt or maybe even on the front of Bongie's drumkit. Ek pak die suurlemoen bo op die bord met pizza, vat my Coke en stap terug kamer toe. So he puts the lemon on top of his plate with pizza and takes his Coke and walks to his room. Terwyl ek sit en eet, bestudeer ek die suurlemoen. While he sits and eats, he looks at the lemon. Miskien kan 'n mens 'n song oor 'n suurlemoen skryf om by ons naam te pas. Maybe we can write a song about a lemon to suit our name. Onder in my lesenaar se laai is 'n pak van daai geel post-it plakkers. Somewhere in his desk drawer is a pack of those yellow post-it notes. He takes it out. Ek haal 'n skoon papier uit my printer en skryf suurlemoen bo-aan. So he's taken out the post-it notes. He takes out a piece of paper, writes suurlemoen at the top of it, and then this is what he does. So these are probably song suggestions. Suur, sour. Suurstof, oxygen. Sout, suur. So you put salt on lemon sometimes and it's salty sour. Soet suur, sweet sour. Versuur, like when you are sour, like you feel sour as a person. Lemonade. En suurgesig, sour face.